I'm gonna go ahead and share my experience on how we've been able to implement SARS-CoV-2, of course known as COVID-19, wastewater-based epidemiological surveillance here in the city of Houston. And the reagent we use is IDEX kit. So the IDEX kit has got in it the primer and probe, which is the N1, N2 gene for the primer probe, similar to the sequence provided by CDC. And this was why we chose the IDEX kit. We don't want to have a problem with backlog or back order or competition. Everything comes in a kit. It's got the positive control in it. It's got the internal control in it. And you have the primer and probe as well as the master mix all in one kit. And I find it extremely comfortable. I find it, very easy to use, and it gives me reproducible results. And that's why I'm here today partnering with IDEX. I'm so proud of their product. Even though we are still in the validation phase, we did some kind of pilot testing, which is part of our validation testing, to show that the IDEX kit that we are using proves the performance of our assay and that our protocol for this SARS-CoV-2 testing in wastewater works well. So we do have collaborators, and what we did was collect sample from the wastewater treatment plant, 12 different wastewater treatment plants. We tested it with going through all the workflow that I've mentioned, and then we compared the gene copy number of N1, N2 that we found in these 12 water treatment plant samples with that of our collaborators that we use as our validation comparison. And as you see in my data, we are the HHD replicate 1 and 2. We were able to detect higher copy numbers of N1 and N2 gene in all the wastewater that we tested compared to our collaborators that are helping with the validation. And another thing is that our CT values were very pretty. You can see that it's very, very tight. And this wonders is just, taking place with the ease that the IDEX kit provides. Because I tell you, if there is anything I have learned in this process, it is the bottleneck through supply chain. And a lot of companies with other stuff, and we just keep getting delays and delays because everybody's wanting the same reagents, the same equipment, the same material all at the same time. So we opted for IDEX because everything comes in one kit and it comes in on time. And more importantly, when I was fine-tuning the protocol, IDEX was by me, with me, and they're still with me, working with me, and I'm very grateful for them.